friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pear crisp. Now we had some pears that were starting to turn, so I thought I'd make a pear crisp, which is just a layer of pears with a crumble on top. If you don't have pears, you can use apples or peaches. So it's really easy to make and throw together, and it makes a wonderful dessert that you can serve with either whipped cream or ice cream or just have on its own. All right, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks.